Hey,
You
they
are live.
updated. They updated it with like it gives you like a little signal says you are live.
You are live. Grand Rising.
Mm, the
Grand
grandest.
Rising. Ding, 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 ding. I might full port off the open. I'm so rested now.
Might as well. Why not?
Good morning,
It's Wednesday.
as people trickle on in. It is Wednesday, June 25th.
Or Port Minis.
Full pour into all-time highs. So we still got a little bit of ways to go for NQ. And by a little bit, I mean only 200 points. So technically all-time highs for NQ. But if you want to get technical with it, QQQs are there. We did it. We gapped in all-time highs. Now we're doing the gap and go thing. So quite
Do you find
the
it tricky
move.
to trade at all time highs since we're going to be in no man's land?
I honestly, this will be an interesting thing to navigate and chat about, because I think part of the reason I started to navigate so much towards RTY and YM is because I like having pre-existing levels to work with. And
Yeah.
so when we're in all-time highs and it just price discovery mode, I'm like, I don't know where this is going to go. I'm like, it's just going up. So
It's
then
just
kind
going
of,
up.
it's like, it's just one of those things where I'm like, I think that's why I started like naturally gravitating towards them.
So like what happens when they go to all time highs? Chances are
Well, that's the thing. They haven't in a long time. So YM finally did, like, not too long ago, but RTY hasn't been all-time highs in a hot minute. So um I don't know. It's a good
so
question.
that's just it. So RTY hasn't hit new all time highs in a minute. So
In a
that just
long
makes it
time.
like a trader's playground, huh? Like what is
Yes,
that?
exactly. I'm like, oh, I got something to work with, like consistently. It's good. So good morning. Good morning in the chat. Say good morning. Say what up. I just posted the live stream link. So we got Brian. Brian, good morning. Be patient today. Ooh, put call ratios below 0.44. Ooh, okay. This is a good thing to chat about. So I keep alerts on P call. I learned this my options days. Actually, this is gonna be a cool thing. I learned this my options days. And I'm gonna share my screen on this because that's the only way to make sense. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So P call, which is the put call ratio. I know it's going to look insane because, like, this is a technical chart. It's almost like a tick chart, just up and down. But basically, whenever what a P call ratio is puts versus calls. And when we're really extended one way or another, usually the market looks to go the opposite way. So right now we're at the bottom tier of it, meaning the markets more than likely has it like calls. There's too many calls versus puts. And then when it's up here, it's vice versa. There's too many puts versus calls. So in order to hedge and rebalance things, like, the market usually goes the opposite way. So I use this as information. I just set alerts at the extremes a lot. So my alert just went off of the extreme down here, which means there's so many people in calls right now and long that we could potentially see, like, a sell off today or a trap. It's not for sure, but like you see most of the time when we're down here, we end up kind of coming back the other way. And the same thing with the extremes. So I keep
So
these
it's kind of
alerts.
like an equilibrium play, like a reversion kind of play.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of like a reversion to the mean. It's just like when we're too overextended one way or another, and then we're too off sides, market makers just need to rebalance everything out. So that's I keep these alerts, and just they rarely go off, because when we are at extremes, it's not too often, and we just went off an extreme right down here. So I'm going to be watching for that today, maybe just a little bit later towards Powell. We do have Powell speaking again at 10 a.m. So that's going to be a watch. Other than that, kind of just chill until then. So, but pretty cool little thing there.
I think you showed me that once before.
Yeah, I've chatted about it here and there. And again, like, I don't use it that often because the alerts don't go off super often. But when they do, I'm like, oh, like, I forget about it. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. Okay, well, here, that could be a potential play. Good morning. What's good? Natin. Love from
Neil,
India,
what's up?
brothers. Awesome. What's good? Neil, what's good? What's going on? So we are basically QQQs into all-time highs. and SPY at all-time highs too. 608. No, SPY still has a little ways to go to all-time highs. So,
How much you got?
SPY all-time highs is 613. We're at 608 right now.
Yeah,
5 points.
Mm-hmm.
So, what's going on, Drew? What's up, man? Congratulations. How was your wedding? Hope it went well.
I got married.
Yeah, Drew got married. Homie Drew, client. Drew got married over the weekend. He's a married man. Is a married man.
First day of the beginning of the end of your life.
We were doing I was doing the golf tournament on Monday, and my girl's doing like she does like body work and like recovery stuff and massage stuff. And so she's doing like a neck massage, and this guy's like, she's like, what got you so tense? Like, what do you do for work? And he's like retired, like multi-millionaire. Like, I know the guy from the restaurant. And he's like, nothing. He's like, just my wife got me stressed. And like all the guys around him are like, oh, it's like the classic. And she's like, yeah, well, it's not wrong.
Did you see what Drew said? He said, hey, it was good. I'm single again.
That's it.
He was just here for the wedding and the drinks.
No, it was an amazing time. I should have wedding crashed it and just showed up.
Elizabeth, good morning. Good morning.
Elizabeth,
Oscar,
good morning. Oscar, what's
on?
good? What's going on?
It's one of these days, huh?
I kind of want to take the RTY short today.
You are so lucky. Some days I really wish that we like lived in the same like vicinity.
I know, you come smack me.
Like I literally would like, you know how like Homer does Bart?
Yeah, literally. I know.
Yeah. Like, how come that? So have you ever traded ES? Like, do you like ES?
Yeah.
When I trade it, but I just feel like you would do very well with it. I don't know.
When I first got into trading futures, I mean, that's like a rite of passage. You have to learn how to trade ES when you get into futures, otherwise you're a psycho. I just eventually moved over towards NQ because it was just more aggressive and fast. And then I don't know, like got over, like I told you, RTY. If you haven't watched, there's a YouTube video on the Strong Trading YouTube of a webinar that my buddy Chandler did like a couple years ago, and it's all about rotation money in the markets. And I think that's what turned me on into being interested in trading YM and RTY a bit. And then also just learning their personalities too, because again, just all these indices move a little bit different. They all have like unique personalities and unique characteristics. And once you learn that and how they move, you're like, oh, okay, like this makes sense. Or like, like it's just little things here and there. So I think that's just why I gravitate towards them. And just to piss you off, I might as well just make Lawrence mad once in a while.
That'll do it.
That'll do it.
Nothing pisses me off more than
me trading wasted potential.
Yeah, because I just know we did a trial run. Like I just want everybody to know we did a trial run. This man literally traded NQ for like a week and was probably 2 and was just ripping shit. Like really was ripping shit.
It's like, stop trading RTY. Every time you trade it, you lose. And I'm like, no, not every time. And just maybe a bad week. I don't know. We got some questions. Good morning, Fit Trader. What's good? Rusty, what's good? Real Trader vibes. Lawrence, bro, I pass prop accounts fairly easy, but it's like when I get to the funded and I see that I'm up on the XFAs, let's say 1,500, I always take a payout out of fear because I've been doing it all year. What's your thoughts on that?
So, I mean, I think that Real Trading, hopefully.
Did you see me? I'm like,
yeah. That was a good one. That was funny. But no, so yep, on your XFAs, let's just say 1,500, and I always take a payout out of fear. I've been doing it all year. I mean, there's nothing necessarily like, it depends on your goals first and foremost, right? Like anything that is short-term based, like if you have any type of short-term goal, if it's getting a payout, if anything drives you is money related, shallow or short-term, you're going to eventually like lose the account or at least trade on tilt at least once, right? So it's nothing wrong with taking a payout, but take like a small percentage, because the bigger percentage that you take out, like let's say 10%, so $150 out of a $1,500 account, that's fine. But I wouldn't really take out more, because your mental capital and your actual capital is going to have an imbalance if you take out a payout too big, and they have to like be aligned. So I would just say delayed gratification, take 10% out and just continue to grow the account till you get a nice little buffer. Like for me, I try to go for like a 10K buffer, 5K bare minimum. And just delay the gratification, bro, because the more payouts you take, the more it's harder. It's harder to adjust to it, right? So don't focus on the payout, focus on the process, take a 10% payout, pay yourself something, and then just grow that buffer until you're safe. That's how I view it. What about you, Tanner?
Keys. Yeah. I mean, it's so funny that you brought this up. I actually thought about this morning with the whole consistency rule thing. I think for me, why a lot of times, like when I traded Top Step, like same thing, I would like want to take my payouts always. And then, yeah, you kind of like, ruin your buffer a little bit. But it was because also a lot of times when I was trading Top Step accounts, since there's no consistency really, once you're, live, it's just like, I would never feel like it's enough. So I would always just have this like kind of greed aspect where now it's just like, oh, like all I can do is base hit this. And for me, that's just easier to build a buffer naturally base hitting. It just adds up better. So it's really a psychological issue for me
It is.
personally, where and it's just different for everyone. Like I think the consistency rule helps me a lot. Yeah, I can obviously inhibit some days from not like extracting full potential, quote unquote, but this has been like I've been killing it this month, especially since we started trading live in front of everyone in just base hitting. And it's like, it's all with just the consistency rule. And I'm like, okay, it works for me. I'll take it.
That answered your question.
Hopefully it helps. Well, Fit Trader Lawrence, last week you took a trade and asked, what should you hold to? And I said all-time highs would have been a nice swing.
It would have been a
I
nice
love
swing.
saying, dude, I got 3 best friends in the trading space, okay? Shoulda, coulda, and woulda. Those guys are my favorites.
Yeah, I'm about to try this long in a second.
I'm gonna sit on my hands because
I'll be the guinea pig.
you can guinea pig it. I'm gonna wait. We got Powell again, and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient today. I'm like, I feel really like rested today and feel good. So I'm not gonna be the degen. I'm not the degen this morning. You're all tired. You're the degen this morning.
Yeah.
100% shoulda, coulda, woulda been the biggest trade ever. That's always, dude. That's like I've been watching. I watch individual names all the time. So right now there's one car, like ticker symbol CAR, and it's on this crazy 2-day run, 3-day run where it went from like $130 up to 175 because it has a high amount of short interest. And basically, I remember literally, I think 2 or 3 years ago, they had an earnings day and the same thing. It had a high short interest. And I was in the trade. It was just a normal like gap and go earning setup. I made like $800 on it. I was like, oh, awesome. That's a great earnings play. And the stock fucking short squeezed that day, and it went from like $120 up to $550 in one day.
Damn.
And I looked at my options, and I would have made, if I would have held them, obviously shoulda, coulda, woulda. So here's your shoulda, coulda, woulda, Fit Trader. I would have made like 700 grand, and I was like, what the fuck?
Jesus.
Like, and that was my day where I was like, holy shit, dude, options are crazy. So right now it's on that little run. So I have it like in the corner of my eye if I need to like sprint in and like buy some options real quick. So I like this little just continuation right here because hopefully, well, I'm looking for the short potentially maybe with that put call ratio thing, but I'm gonna be really patient. I'm still shouting. I'm still supporting you, Lawrence. What's your target? 92s, 592. That's good. I have a level around there, 580s. So I think that's solid.
Thank you.
A very solid little right before Powell is crazy work.
It is crazy work.
Crazy work, dude. Crazy work.
I'm still gonna try it.
Yeah, I'm
Fuck you
just
guys. I'm the degen today. The degenerate for today. I'll be the guinea pig. Oh
dude.
man.
So RTY is eating shit today. Maybe that's my setup. Maybe this is the one. I'm just gonna be patient. I'm just chilling right now.
Fucking
No,
no.
no, it's too early. I'm gonna wait. I don't got edge up here. 548 on cues. No, I'm just chilling, just waiting, just waiting. Oh, I need to fix this banner a little bit. What's good, chat? You sleeping?
Y'all know, right?
How you guys doing?
Jesus. Oh wait, hold on. Somebody said something here. How can I get your help with this issue? I keep having to start over, but every XFA I get a payout, but it's not much because risk settings. Do you use Project X?
Risk settings.
Yeah, I mean that's my go-to. I would say that like risk settings is very important. Yeah, I mean if you're regarding coaching, I mean you can go strongtrading.com and fill out an application. But right now we kind of booked up, so
Bingo.
you know.
That would be the call. The call here. Sit on my hands too. Nice, Steve. Yep, we're just chilling, like a villain here.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of a rejection. I kind of like this YM short. Retesting VWAP here. I'm considering shorting YM. I am, to be honest. I'm not against it. I'm not against it. I still just want to be patient. I still just want to be patient.
I think you should. Don't be like me, brother.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait honestly until closer to Powell. Dude. Like, I want to see one more sweep up towards the highs, towards your 580s, and then have you get filled, you get out, and then me short. It's like the handoff.
Yeah, like a little tag team there.
Yeah, that's what I want. What up? I'm seeing this as New York Open sweeping London liquidity and true move to the downside. Nice 1 hour fair value gap London target, Asia London lows. True. You know what's so funny is you can read like if when you're an advanced trader or just you've been doing it long enough and you're especially trading futures, I can read this and fully understand it. But if you're new to it and you read this, you're like, what the fuck does any of this mean, right?
Right.
Like nice 1 hour FVG London target Asia London lows. Like if you know nothing about trading, you read this and it's like literally like a code. It's a different language, bro. That's hilarious. When is Powell speaking? I don't see it listed on the econ calendar. On Forex Factory, it says 10 a.m. Fed Chair Powell testifies, and we have new home sales also, so we have data.
Really?
Use you guys use Forex Factory. I know we don't trade Forex, but it's a good econ calendar. I use that for pretty much all my data stuff I'm looking for.
I need to call my risk manager for this account because 5 micros is like they can keep the $1,000 daily loss, but I need more than 5 micros, bro.
Yeah, I feel that, bro, for
Like
sure.
I can't make anything happen, bro. Like I'm this week I'm break even and I'm over here using max size and shit.
I know. I agree. They gotta
And this is trash,
figure that
bro.
out, bro.
This
They
is
gotta
so
figure that out.
ass.
Damn, this is pretty good short here on YM.
So what are you gonna do about it?
I just don't.
What are you gonna do about it?
I feel like we're gonna have one more impulse move up still,
Possibly.
but I kind of like the short on YM. It's looking really decent. But I might just take the short on Qs.
This looks good.
Yeah, it does. And now it's starting to really look good. But again, it's just damn, RTY is just dying right now. Straight down. Yeah, I can't chase this YM now. I just missed my short entry. I really liked it up there too. That was a shame. That would have been good. A good entry.
First loss of the day, $160.
It's okay. It's okay.
No,
It's all good.
I don't even care no more.
It's all good. Oh yeah, this is looking much more decent. Into 500 here though, on you. Kind of a key level, key area.
Let me mark that first trade.
I'm shorting YM, dude. I think I'm gonna take a short here. Yeah. Put my stop of 386 on it. Like this to come retest 274s. Run 227s. This can get halfway through yesterday's lows. We're sitting on the 200 here though. Let's see. It's not my favorite. I really like this bar though. Let's see. I just added a little bit.
Boom.
Into 300s.
Oh, shit, I'm tripping. What's Mr. Powell gonna do for us? I'm telling you.
Oof.
All right.
I don't like how extended this is right here. Actually, I'm probably gonna cut this. It's
you're in a trade. Show your screen.
Yeah, I shorted YM. I'm not a huge fan of this entry though. I entered way too low. I really don't like how low I entered. Pull it up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut this, dude.
Eddie shorted NQ.
No, I shorted YM.
No, I'm saying Eddie. He shorted NQ.
Oh. Yeah, dude, I don't like this. I really don't like how low I entered here. I'm not a fan. Probably shouldn't cut it right away. Yeah, I don't like it. It was way too low. Way too low where I entered.
This could be a failed attempt to go lower.
Yeah, failed attempt to go lower.
Then if we continue to push up, I'll wait for my entry model, and then I'm going full port, bitch. I'm going all in.
Because the 22,500 is kind of a big level. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of that. That would
tread carefully, Eddie. Damn. My nephew's supposed to be flying in, and they delayed his flight like 3 times already. He was supposed to leave at 10, now until like 1 p.m.
Really? Damn. I hate delayed flights, bro. Fuck
me too. It pisses me off.
I hate
it really pisses me off, bro.
You gonna re-short London highs here?
Casey said that is a good idea. That's a very good idea, Casey. I'm not gonna lie to you. You brought up bringing people on stream. Maybe the criteria is the 1,000 back tested trades, earn your spots. Right.
Yeah, there you go.
That's solid, bro. I think I'm actually going to do that.
Yeah.
You guys show me on TradeZella. Back tested 1,000 trades, and I'll bring you on here, and you can live trade in front of the world.
In front of the world, bro.
for the world to see.
For the world to see.
Yeah. And if you guys do not have, did I tell you that I finally got my link to Trade Zella?
Did you? Nice. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, so let's see if I can. If you guys do not have Trade Zella, listen, I don't advocate for many things. I don't. I'm a it takes a lot. Oh, sorry, you guys can see everything. I'm trying to give you my link. Okay, boom. You are not signed up to Trade Zella. Click on this link and sign up immediately and become a real trader.
Boom, boom, boom. I feel like I'm gonna backfill this wick on NQ to the downside. Let's see.
I need my entry model to present itself, but this shit is running.
I know.
I might even go to the 30-second chart and take that if it presents. That shit
Yeah.
is just running.
Kind of tricky, dude. Kind of tricky. Not gonna lie.
Need my entry model to present, and I'm full porting. All 5 micros.
All 5 micros full. I know it's great. That is a full port, bro. Literally, it is a full port.
Full porting all 5 micros.
Damn.
Give me something here. Show me something good. But no, all seriously, I do love TradeZella though. I don't know if you. Oh, you do use it, Tanner.
Yeah,
TradeZella is amazing.
yeah. Fuck
It's
yeah,
it's an
absolutely.
amazing software,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, absolutely.
Mm.
Absolutely.
Oscar, you wait for the second leg to form, and then yeah, I do. But this shit is just pumping, Oscar. It's pumping. It's not giving me. It didn't give me the first leg, honestly. We're just running it.
We're just running it.
Yeah, Chandra said he's long with a tight stop,
Oh,
which understood. I probably should have went long too. So as soon as I saw this divergence, enter long right here, tight stop, go for a two R.
I'm glad I cut that that YM trade because it would have taken me out for like a $600 loss, but instead I only lost 370. Chop cheese till daddy speaks.
Papa Rome.
He speaks in a
Big
couple
Daddy
minutes.
Rome.
Speaks in a couple.
That's a good long, Chandra. Chandra's actually a beast, bro. He's actually a very good trader.
Yeah, I know. Chandra's always calling it.
Like very good trader. This man has like I think he has
I'm
like
gonna
a
short this, bro.
60. Be careful.
I'm gonna try
I
this
think he has
short.
I think he has like a 2.88 R average with like a 62% win rate. It's insane.
It's gonna pull
It's
back
almost
into
a
the
he
up
almost
here.
has almost a 3R.
Damn, that's crazy. That's I love a 3R. I love
Yeah.
I love a non-negative R multiple.
Shout out Austin. I love a non-negative R multiple. Damn, Bitcoin is pumping. It was just under 100,000. Ooh, there's a divergence on Bitcoin. Failed attempt to go lower. This shit's about to take the fuck off.
Pulling into VWAP here on Q.
I don't know if you guys know I am a Bitcoin maxi.
A Bitcoin junkie.
A Bitcoin junkie. You guys invest in your 401k. I invest in Bitcoin $20 a day. Yes, sir.
That's true. You do. That's what you do.
$20 a day.
God damn it, dude.
Because everything gets cheaper in Bitcoin. It just makes sense. Everything gets cheaper in Bitcoin. And everybody tries to figure out, oh, how can like Bitcoin go to zero? I actually found a way how Bitcoin can go to zero.
How could Bitcoin
Actually,
go to
no.
zero?
In order for Bitcoin to go to
No one
zero,
would have to own it, right?
that too, that too. But in order for Bitcoin to go to zero, the US economy actually has to do right. Meaning it can't, they got to get rid of the inflationary setup, right? Like a whole inflationary
Mm,
system. That's the only way Bitcoin can go to zero.
mm.
If they stop printing money and they do what they're supposed to do, Bitcoin will go to zero. But they're not going to do that. And Bitcoin is over a $2 trillion asset. There hasn't been a single asset in human history worth over $1 trillion that went to zero. Not a single asset.
Bitcoin will keep going up, dude. I'm
It's going
definitely
to infinity. It's going to
advocate
infinity. I said it first. Infinity. It will never
infinity.
stop.
I don't know about that, but
I know that for sure. Because if you think about it, once an asset crosses a certain threshold, they just keep going up. Like, think about Apple, Microsoft. They just keep going up forever, bro.
yeah, yeah.
Bitcoin is going to infinity. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. As long as we keep on printing, there's not going to be a top for Bitcoin. That's
Top
why I
of the
said
top,
only way it goes to zero is if they stop printing.
top of the top,
Top of the top.
top of the top. I did take a short here at 55.20s. The stop, tight stop at 35s.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a lot of conviction in it though, to be honest. So we'll see.
Did I take this 30 second long?
So you can go against me.
I'm long biased. I'm going long until something crazy happens.
I'm not a yeah, I know.
Something crazy
I
really
think
has to
what
happen.
so here's my own personal bias issue is that P call ratio. Sometimes I can fuck you up because then it like almost biases your mind for the day instead of just thinking about price because I'm like, oh, that's a indicator or like something like this. But the thing is, I haven't back tested that enough, I guess, quote unquote, but I've used it
Mhm,
enough where those extremes eventually do pan out. And later in the day, I always go, see, Tanner, you fucking knew it. Like, that
mhm,
thing works or some shit. So I'm
mhm.
like, maybe this is just a lower high here. I'm gonna see how we treat 500. If we lose 500, I'm really start to go.
If we lose 480, like if we go lower, bro, oh God.
478.
Oh God.
I'm adding some to this here. I'm gonna take some off into the low.
Yeah, you're adding it to your short.
Yeah, but I'm gonna scale out.
Very carefully.
I am.
I really want to go long right here
Into 500 here.
into those
I
weakness.
feel like we might sweep this low and then bounce like into 475s. That would be a potential good long area.
I really want to jump in for longs right here, but I'm not going to do it. I'm wait for a reaction. I want to set a good example for the people here.
Set a good example for the people. I'll share my screen and see where I'm at. I
Good.
don't want to let this fully here we go.
That does look pretty bearish. I'm not going to lie. That looks actually
Yeah,
pretty bearish.
3 minute
No
looks
lie.
bearish.
No lie. That looks pretty
I
bad.
just I don't like this stop up here. It's like I might go to break even or even tighter. I might go to like here, 325. But I want to
Does look
see.
pretty.
I just don't like this 500, dude. I hate the 500 here. I'm like, I need us to get through and really sink. That's what I need. Die. Die right now.
This is going to pop.
Die. Die. Come on. Die some more. Die some more.
Pretty bearish, bro.
Die some more. Volume did pick up a little bit on this last candle on the 2 minute. Look at my other screen here. Can we get a little sweep of this low here to cover me some? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it?
This is the importance of waiting for my entry model after the failed attempt to go lower. Because if I would have just jumped in, there you go.
Damn it, these fucking cucks, dude.
There it is.
I'm probably gonna go to break even on this, dude. I don't want to take this loss. I'm like, dude, that was too. I need to manage this and trail. I have too many contracts. I hate these guys. I hate this. I hate this. So
This
bullshit.
is this.
I hate this. I hate it. 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 I hate it, Lawrence.
I know.
God damn it, dude.
I know. I want to jump in the long, but my entry model still hasn't formed yet, bro.
Don't do it to me. Keep it going,
jump
dude.
in the long.
I feel like I just got to.
You know,
dude, I'm gonna get.
I
Cocked.
could be wait. That is very good, Oscar. I was looking at this. So that break of the neckline at 530, yes, would be perfect, but I kind of want to get in a little bit sooner. I think I'm going to test the waters. I'm going to put in like 2 contracts. I'm going to put 2 contracts in early. Let me see how this candle closes. Yeah, let me put in 2 contracts. Oh shit, I accidentally did 3. Fuck. And then as soon as I get in, this shit starts to nice.
Yeah, literally pulls back like right away. We're against each other. Man, you guys gonna do this to me or what? Go lower.
The moment I get in, this
If we
shit
lose 500,
just
lose 500,
tanks.
lose 500, lose 500, bro. Lose 500.
Holding it.
Lose 500.
Fuck you, Tanner.
Give me a cover, baby. Give me a cover.
Don't give it to him.
No,
Fuck
fuck
him.
this, dude. I'm taking some down. Give me a cover. Give me a cover. Cover me some. Just cover me some right here.
Fuck that guy. There you go. Fuck that guy. Yeah. Fuck that guy.
500. No.
Fuck that guy on the other side of the screen. Fuck him. Fuck him. Yeah. Fuck that guy.
God damn it.
Yeah.
No, dude. No, fuck you, Lawrence.
Yeah. Fuck that guy, bro. Fuck him. He doesn't deserve it.
It is holding up nicely. Damn it.
He don't deserve it. Don't give it to him. Don't even give him the cover. Don't give it to him. Don't do it. And I'm about to add to my position. I'm about to add. Hit the break. Come on, give me a nice little push. I need a nice push. Give it to me. I'm adding. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck that guy. I'm going for it.
It looks pretty good for the long.
This is for you.
I fucking hate this.
Ah, God. Fuck you. I'm going for everything. Oh no.
You know
Don't let
what?
him win.
Fuck you, Lawrence.
Oh my God.
Fuck you, Lawrence. Yep.
I'm still in this.
I know.
I'm still in this.
So am I. So am I.
I'm still in this.
So am I. Give me the sweep here. Cover me.
Oh
Cover me into
my
480.
God.
Cover me into 480. Cover me into 480. Cover me into 480.
He doesn't deserve this.
We need to lose 500.
He doesn't deserve this. He's less than.
We need to lose this 500. That's my only saving grace.
Oh, do not betray me like this. Oh,
Lose it.
no.
Aggressively lose it.
Oh,
Give us volume
aggressively
to the
lose it.
downside.
No.
Give us volume to the downside.
Oh my gosh, I added.
Oh, give me it. Come on, dude.
I added.
I think it's gonna hold here.
I don't know, bro.
I don't know. Let's
I don't
see. Moment of
know. This
truth.
doesn't look good.
I'm gonna move my stop to here though. I'm not gonna
Well,
be stupid.
I can't watch it. I can't watch.
What's gonna happen? Oh, this is I'm gonna get cooked, dude.
Oh
What's
God.
happening? 500. I think it's
No.
gonna hold. You're good, dude. I think you're good, bro. It looks pretty good.
I can't look.
It looks
Can't
pretty.
look.
It's gonna hold. It's gonna hold.
No, it's not. Look at it.
I don't know. I don't know. I just
Yeah,
want to be able
see,
to
I longed it.
give me it right
No.
here. No, it's not done. It's not done.
No.
Dude, they're holding on to this with their dear life. Come on, just give us a flush, please. Into 480.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Right into
I'm so
VWAP.
sorry,
Right
Mom.
into VWAP. Flush it into VWAP.
I'm so
Flush it
sorry,
into
Mom.
VWAP.
I failed you. I hope
Flush
my
it into
mom's not
VWAP.
watching this. I
Flush
hope my
into
mom's
VWAP.
not
Flush into
watching this.
VWAP.
Order filled.
Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Right into VWAP here. Got my cover. If it's going to bounce anywhere, it's going to bounce right here, though. I need consistent follow through for this real downside move to prior day to all time high retest, prior day highs. Boom. Sorry, Lawrence. Eat shit.
Oh my God.
Right into VWAP.
It was such a good attempt.
Give us the continuation.
That was such a good
Give
attempt.
us a continuation.
I thought we had it. I thought we had it.
I know that was a good attempt for sure. Me and you both. It was like a toss up. We're like, I don't know.
I can't get mad at this, honestly.
Let's see here.
I can't. I'm looking at it.
Just one of those where stuff you got. I mean, you got VLOP right here. If it's gonna bounce, like I said, it's gonna hold here. This is. I need like a slice through for this to really, really work. Because otherwise, it's just gonna bounce here. If we reclaim 500 pretty fast, I'll probably just cut it.
It's crazy. I kind of want to. I really, man. I want to go for the long again.
I'm not against that long. If we reclaim 500, it wouldn't be a bad long, I think. Like honestly, I'm gonna go to break even. I'm going to break even on this, which I know you're probably like, why? But like
I'm going to take a bigger than average loss today. I think I'm going to go for this long. I'm going to wait till we get a little bit more buying pressure.
Wait till this.
Yeah, I'm going to wait a little bit.
Let's see. But I love this right into view up here. Like for sure, it would be the spot.
If we go below this low, then I'm done for the day.
Yeah, if we lose VWAP, it's probably just going to continuously sell off. Ooh, ES is getting heavy. RTY is still heavy. That put call ratio, dude.
You did call it.
I did call that in the beginning of the stream. Real question is, can we sell off all the way into fucking 400s? That would be nice.
Oh my gosh. So
it's dying. It's dying.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh, extendo clip to the downside.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm reevaluating everything.
And just take a breather, bro, for a second. Take a breather.
No, I'm looking at my past trades. I'm not looking
Okay.
at anyone's coming out.
448. I cover some. Yeah, 450, right above it. A little shy of it, maybe. Ooh, do a reclaim view up here. Ooh.
I don't know. I think this was a pretty solid loss.
I'm
I think that was a pretty solid loss. I'm looking at it.
gonna sit tight on this.
Yeah, I think this was a pretty solid loss. I'm cool with this. I'm looking at it.
Yeah. No, this was a good dude. Where you tried the long was good. I'd be looking for a long up there. Honestly, if I didn't have the put call thing, I would have gotten smart. Like that's the only reason my brain is a little bit short biased today is because of that put call thing. I swear. Let's see if we can cover a couple into here. Limit by 3. Let me get it into 450s. Can we get some covers here into 450s, ladies and gents? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it?
Um, um, mm, hmm.
Mm-mm-mm. 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 I feel like it's
So
gonna want to be a Friday high at this point.
I gotta look at my other trades.
Oh, trying to reclaim VWAP here. I don't like that from a short. I do not like that. Tricky fucking action on shorts like
Yeah,
this.
this is
Just
pretty
tricky. It's
yeah.
tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Everyone's like, I'm dying, I'm dying. We were going against each other.
Yeah, that shit was funny.
Oh, shit was funny. All right. I
That
don't
shit
like
was
the reclaim
hilarious.
of you because like the problem is this is my long strategy right here. And so like I know what this looks like. I gotta be
Mhm.
real cautious. Let's go down to the 30-second chart and give me some anxiety.
Give me some anxiety.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut this, dude. This is doing exactly what it should do
Yeah, I
for
think I want to try this
me.
long. All right, if I
Damn.
lose this, then I lose a little bit above average, but I'm willing to go for it. I went ahead and tried that long. I'm so long biased today.
I know. You are really
I
long
just,
bias today.
yeah, like I just can't see. I just couldn't see the short. I think that's what it was. I really just could not see the
Yeah, I
short.
mean, I couldn't see it either. Honest, like I said, if I didn't have that put call thing, I wouldn't have taken that right there, and that doesn't even necessarily save me. I'm gonna still let this trade and be a break even because now we're kind of going back down a little bit. Give me 450. There we go.
Damn, this shit about to wipe me
Yeah,
again.
dude. Yeah, it's tricky.
Jesus Christ.
This is one of those tricky days, dude. Super tough.
Yeah.
They just rejected prior day high on SPY.
Yeah, if they go past this low, I'm wiped and then I'm gonna lock my account for the day.
Yeah, for sure. You got to. You have to.
Yeah, because this is insane.
But this is just tough in this area here. Look at this 5. Look at this bar. We get one more continuation bar down below to flush to 450s. Do we
Yeah,
get it?
this is just tough, bro.
Do we get the continuation bar? No, it's looking like it's trying to reclaim still.
Mhm.
But it's also still heavy. Just action like this sucks. I hate action like this.
Mhm.
That's
Mhm.
honestly the hard part with shorting sometimes is like when it's grindy short action like this,
Mhm.
all the longs look like they're starting to work, and you're like, oh, cool, this is a good entry. This looks like a great entry spot. And then all of a sudden, like like last second they bring down the candle, or they like, they bring it back up real fast, and you're like, oh shit,
Yeah.
dude, like that just totally boofed me. We get one more flush to the downside. It would make sense
Yeah, I think we
logically
get
to
whacked here.
retest. It would make sense that we retest prior day high, which is down below. Or do we wick fill this here, dude? Do we wick fill this?
I hope so.
Look, that would be a good wick fill spot for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
now,
is probably a day that I might have to go back and actually review the price action once everything is over.
yeah, it's tough.
This one's a little tough.
Super tough, dude. I
100
hate
into long again.
I just hate this action, dude. Yeah, it looks like it wants to wick fill. I feel like I can't do anything but just sit and wait and watch.
For real, and like literally, bro.
Like, I don't know. It's just it's that action. Awful action. What do we think, chat? What do we think? We get one more sinker here.
We'll find out in a second.
No, this looks good for the long, dude. Reclaim a VWAP. Sitting
Yeah,
right on
bro. I
top of
hope
it.
so. Fuck.
I might hit the reverse, dude.
I think you should.
I'm gonna wait a sec.
I'm gonna go for 532s. If it goes there.
We just don't have a really good signal bar to work with. Everything else is pushing lowers, lower for the most part.
Mm-hmm.
RTY and YM are just so heavy. You got ES trying to figure out what it wants to do. Yeah, I don't know, bro.
I don't either, brother.
We don't know, chat. We got no fucking idea. It's a conflicting day.
This is going to be a break-even day if I get this, honestly.
Katie in the chat. Looking at the top one account for the lockout feature, what plan do you like the most? Most bang for your buck. So the newest ones, if you like intraday trailing drawdown, there's a big asterisk there. If you like that, if you know how to use that, if you know how to navigate intraday trailing drawdown, then they for sure are the best bang for your buck, because all in with, there's no activation fee or anything. They're straight to funded. They're better than Apex. They're better than anything in the industry, actually, especially with, if you use code STRONG, you get 55% off. But I am not a fan of intraday trailing drawdown, so I use the regular ones, which are just like the straight to funded, not the pros. And I think it's like right now, I think it's like 30% off or so. I have to double check on those, but still code STRONG saves you on the best. So it really just depends on like if you can navigate the intraday trailing drawdown. I know some people can do that really, really well. Some people can't, and that's fair. So it's like it just depends whatever floats your boat and whatever you can do, but not everyone can do those. So. Damn, this action is really, really tough, guys. This is like not easy to decipher.
Yeah.
At all. Drew, find myself conflicted from either side when what happens means when that happens means sit on hands. Yep.
Yeah.
Call
That's
it
exactly what that means.
walk away. Yeah, you should walk away. This is tough action, bro. This is like this will kill you. Like I can already tell. Like I'm getting frustrated because I'm like, do I cut it here? I'm up 270. Like I'm literally in that like purgatory zone where I'm like, what do I do? Go back and forth? But I think I'm just gonna let this play out and not overthink it. Because usually when I do overthink it and stuff like this, especially with action like this, I end up regretting it. So I think I'm trying to see if we can get one more leg down and just be content with it. But yeah, this is super tough action.
Yeah, this is pretty tough to navigate through.
Feel like we might get one more leg lower though.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
One more, yeah. It's trying here. Here we go.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Well, I'm about to
We
go
get
down and lock out.
through. Yeah, you got to lock out, bro.
Yeah, that's not good.
Do we get follow through here though, and even give me the cover? That's the issue. See, because it just failed to go lower right away. Like I need like consistent follow through. I don't like that it's not following through. See these fucking guys, bro. No follow through. I'm
That's
probably gonna cut
crazy.
this. That's bullshit. I'm moving this to here, bro. Because if we reclaim this, it makes no sense. Yeah, this looks good for a long now.
That last little sweep.
Yeah. That was the fake out candle. Yeah, I'm glad I'm going to trail this. It just doesn't make sense. It's way too confusing of price action. This long looks good. This long looks really good now.
Let's see. I need to review this shit. Let me look at this real quick.
Just tough day, dude. Tough action. Tough action.
Order filled.
There we go. Took me out. Question is now. I wait for one more setup to present itself. I have arrived. You were just missing us going against each other, and then
you missed everything.
Yeah, being confused by price. Going, what do we do here, bro? What do we do here? What do we do? Jesse up 430 for the day. My lockout for sure. Lockout. Take that, dude.
Good
Take
shit. Definitely lock out, bro.
Take that win, bro. Absolutely take that win, bro. For sure.
I'm over here reviewing because this shit doesn't make sense to me.
It's just hard action, dude. Fucking hate this action. Now, actually, here's kind of what I'm looking at. God, see, this is just conflicting, though. You got the 2 minute magic signal, Lawrence.
Yep, that's it. That golden signal.
The golden signal.
The hammer engulfing candle.
Hammer
right?
engulfing candle and failed attempt to go lower.
Bar, right?
I call this a bullish engulfing hammer because you're engulfing the last candle. That's what it means. You can call it a pin bar too. I don't know. It's all the same shit. It's just like a failed attempt to go lower or whatever. What's really interesting here, though, if we come up to 500 and fail 500 now, that would be really interesting. Really, really interesting.
Let's see. So we had the opening range, divergence, failed attempt to go lower, nice little pushback up, boom, boom, boom.
Brian just got long on ES 61.53. TP1 stop loss is 61.47.25 at the lows. Okay. It's kind of tough. I'm not against it, Brian. This is honestly just a toss up. It's just a tough, it's a tough one.
Yeah, it is pretty tough.
It's tough because it's retesting VWAP and prior day low or prior day high. This is what I was talking about here. This is trying to push into 500s, but failing a little bit. But we are holding on top of VWAP. I just don't like that. I'm conflicted, chat. I'm conflicted. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Wow, look at this, bro.
That's crazy.
This is ridiculous.
It really is.
That's tough. Okay, tough. Taking everything in me just to sit on my hands and be like, bro, wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
What you think about going long?
Here's what I'm conflicted on. So 22,500 is like a key level I have them watch. We're rejecting it now, right? It was support. Now it's turning into resistance. But and this is VWAP on MM and Q, but VWAP actually on NQ is lower. It's it's right here. It's like we're sitting on it. So I think that's why price is really confused right now what it wants to do. So I don't know. We're just in this really tough zone, really, really tough area. So I'm like, I don't I just need to wait. Like when I have stuff like this, I'm like, I just need to wait. Like literally, like that's it. But I will tell you this, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm like only a few $100 away from a payout on one of my accounts. So like not like psychologically, I'm like, oh, you could do that. Just figure it out. But I'm like,
Yeah.
don't
That's
force that.
that's the okie doke, bro.
Yeah,
That's the psychological okie doke.
Yeah. You have to zoom out on Project X for it to fix itself. Yeah, it does that sometimes. Oh yeah, you're right. Nice call. See, look at it. Now we're sitting on VWAP. Real nice.
Mm-hmm.
Good call, Alex. Good
Is that a
call.
long you would normally take on your VWAP
Yeah,
setup, or
this
you
is
need
literally
extra?
this is my VWAP setup here for sure. I just don't like that we have 500 right here because it's like a key level. But
Mm.
this is the long setup for sure. Just pin 500 there. But this is my strategy. So I'm like, that's why I'm like, I feel like I can't go against that. If anything, I should be going long right now, put my stop at the low, but it's too big of a stop. Too big of a stop.
I'm trying to see. Okay, so I think like my first trade was good. I'm just making sure I did everything I was supposed to do.
Mm-hmm. Rejecting the 500 now. 30-second chart. How we looking? How we looking? How are we looking? Let's see.
Fine tune 56.
Hit one of these. Two.
I know, right?
Hit
Yeah,
one
hit
of
one of
those.
those. Yeah.
See how many lines we can draw
Magic lines.
till something makes sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
God, look at this 3-minute bar. It's hard to ignore the 3-minute bar, though, dude. I feel like this is going to resolve higher. I really do.
Okay, so first trade. I was line high. So, okay, so that's not bad. And then stopped out second trade.
Share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. I got you.
I don't. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna take this off real quick so everybody can see. So the first trade, so we had London highs right here, opening range, right? So we blew past London highs, came back, and this is what kind of threw me off a little bit. Actually, yeah, this right here. So we went past London highs. Where's my little handy dandy? Here we go. Went past London highs, came right back inside the range. And then as soon as we popped back and started sitting on London highs, I saw my entry model pretty much right here, right? And then I entered long right there, which I got stopped out immediately because this was my stop loss, got stopped out right here. Then the second trade, so that's pretty decent. I wouldn't say that that's horrible. And
Yeah.
then my second trade, I would say we got this divergence right here, right? Failed attempt to go lower. So now I'm looking for my long setup and then my entry model for a long. So we get a nice push up. I will automatically switch naturally. Just looking at the hindsight, even looking at the hindsight, I'm like, okay, I would think long in this. So we got a nice push up, entry model right there, went long right there, set my stop loss below the divergence, and then got stopped out again right here. And in the last trade, we got another divergence. We swept the lows. I entered long and then got wicked out right there for another sweep. And now we're pushing up. So, I mean, I think that all three trades was pretty valid, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like I can explain it, I can draw it out, and I can't sit here and
Yeah.
look at it and say, okay,
Yeah.
that was an impulse. Okay, I fucked up there. I can't really say that. So, yeah. Now, on the risk side, actually, I should have done better because I should not be down $700. I should probably be down absolute max. I would say 600. That's risking $200 per trade. 3 trades, 3 losses in a row, $200. I should be down 600. I shouldn't be down 704. Not too far off, but still could have
If
done better
we
on the
can,
risk.
if we can pull back on this next 5-minute bar
Hmm.
into 22,480s area, like in the view up one more time, and looks like, and then like get a failed attempt to go lower one more time, that I would be interested in the long.
Okay.
Just fucking hard with this grindy action, dude. I hate this. Here's the reclaim of 500.
Yeah. I'm going to mark all this up. Tell the world I'm on a losing streak. 2 days in a row.
2 days. 2-day
Yeah.
losing streak.
Yeah, 2-day losing streak.
Okay.
It just goes to show it's not about losing, it's about what you do after you lose. That's the most
Yeah.
important piece that we like to push. It's okay to lose. It's what happens after you lose. Like, what actions do you take after you lose?
Mhm.
Like, and I'm looking at this, bro. Honestly, like Tanner, I'm gonna need your help here. Like, considering how I look at the market, because you know how I see the market. I see the
Yeah.
market in patterns.
Mhm.
Where do you see a short? Like, if I take all this away, like, where do you see a short?
You don't. Honestly, like I told you, I didn't even like, for me, it was utilizing the lower high. That was it. Around 5:30 when we started like putting that lower high, I was like, okay, if we are going to potentially have a short, this is some structure I can place risk against. So it's like, yeah, you're not wrong for that. It just didn't work. Like, really just didn't work. Even now we're losing 500 again. It's not bad. Hmm.
Just yeah, I guess this is just a loss. I didn't see the short.
I just think it's a tough day, bro. Anyone that gets hurt today, it's just a tough day.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Either way, I'm cool with it.
Yeah.
It's all good. We'll be back tomorrow. And I'm gonna reach out to that risk manager, bro. So that my problem is I'm okay with taking like a $700 L. I'm okay with taking like the $400 L I took yesterday, right? So like the past two
Mm,
days, so this whole
mhm.
week I'm down about $700 because I broke even, right? I'm down
Yeah.
about $700.
Yeah.
Now the issue is that the fact that I only have 5 micros. That's where the
Mhm.
issue come into play, where I
Yeah.
technically can't
Yeah.
add to my position.
Yeah.
So it's hard to reclaim those losses when you can't take full advantage of the winners to come.
Yep.
That's my issue.
I agree. 100%. You need to be able to use the full size that you can, which makes sense risk wise, in order to really capitalize on like, oh, here's my setup. Here's my setup.
Yeah.
You know, but God, this is
And I have a criteria as far as like adding to my position.
mhm,
It's just I don't they won't allow me to. I'm at the message them.
mhm. Tricky here. What is gonna happen? Okay, let's see. This is kind of what I was talking about, pinning back down into 480s. Do we get something down here? One more push lower. These guys, bro, it's just like,
I would take this. I would take this long right here. But we all see what that got me.
yeah, I don't know.
But
I
I would
just think
take
this
this
is
long right here.
knocking on the risk manager's door. Open up.
Right. I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, this is just this is tough, guys. This is, and that's trading. Past 2 days have been good examples of this, of just like, you're not going to always get really clean action. And on days like this, what do you do? Right? What do? You got to just,
Mhm.
expectation wise, just starting to go, okay, I'm up. I don't know if I'm going to get too much now. Like, it's what's the call, right? What's the decision here?
Mm-hmm.
I might end up just having $100 green day and just that's it.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with that in these conditions. I think that's pretty solid.
Yeah. Okay, here's that potential setup though that I was talking about. Pushing down into 480s. We did just reject 500s though, which is interesting. Six. They already fucking just it's just so like low volume, low liquidity, just fucking ugh, I hate it.
Yeah, it's pretty ugly, bro.
Mm-hmm. It's really ugly. Trash. Should have stuck with RTY, bro. Easy short all morning. Never listening to you again.
God. Give me one more chance.
No, you're done.
Bro, you're fucking finished.
You're done. You're done, bro.
It's hilarious. Yeah,
Okay.
man. Definitely. Man, fuck this price action, bro.
Yeah, fuck this price action is right, bro.
Something happened.
You know what? I'm gonna short and put my stop at 528.
I don't know. Wait a second. I mean, I'm not. Yeah,
Give me. I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
yeah. I'd wait a second personally because this looks like a prime long right here.
Yeah, it is doing the long stuff.
Long stuff. Yeah.
It is doing the long stuff. What I'm going to try to bank on right here is we're coming into QQQ view op. If we can pull up into this and reject, that'll have some more conviction in the play. Can we get a tap of it? Little tap, tap, taparoo.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Wow.
This is trash, bro.
This is real, real bad.
This shit is butt.
This shit ugly. One more little push into VWAP here.
I think it's going to do the long stuff, bro.
I want to see one more little push higher. And then have it come right back into it. It's a prime spot to short ES right here.
Yeah, it looks like it's about to do the long stuff.
It does look like it's about to do the long stuff. I like this, Drew. I know as traders we can't predict, but when you have two large daily bars, so the upside, a small pause could be imminent. Trading potential pause bars have always been a nightmare for me. Yeah, you're not wrong. That's great advice. Drew, spot on for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Super spot on. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's hard. Very, very hard.
Yeah. Give me a push up, man. Let's go.
It was something, dude. Something.
Let's do the long shit.
Got about 15 minutes for fucking I'm over this.
Do the long shit.
I might try this short right here. Let's get
one
more push. I think I might, yeah.
Oh. Looks like it's doing some long stuff.
I'm short.
Okay.
Stop at 35s. And that's going to be my last trade. I'm only risking $220. We're pushing into QQQ VWAP for everyone wondering why I took the short.
Is it going to be like a short, or is it going to be like a long short?
I'm going to look for a breakdown to retest all-time highs. So I'm going to look for this break all the way down to here, probably to probably 450. It's only like 50 points or so.
Mm-hmm.
It's really fully based off of that candle looks real bad for me, but it's fully based off just this retest of QQQ VWAP. That's it. So just another strategy I have. Well, it always, a lot of it revolves around VWAP. VWAP to VWAP.
VWAP to VWAP.
VWAP to VWAP, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
It's not looking good, though. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah,
It's
it
not
looks
what I
like
want
it's
to
doing
see.
some long stuff here.
It does look like he's doing some long stuff. So I have my stop right here above this bar. If it's invalidated, it's invalidated. Wow, it's about to take me out real quick. That was pretty fucking whack. Yes, pushing the highs. Where's Brian with his long? It's looking
Where you
good.
at, Brian? Don't get quiet on me.
Don't get quiet on us.
Let me know you're still
NQ I
here.
show VWAP. So I'm talking about QQQ VWAP. That's the short I'm looking for. It's different. This slow, methodical, long price action suggests sellers are in control. Could be. TP1 hit. Nice, Brian. Runners. Good job. So here we go. That's what I want to see. Give us a little pin skis right here. Get us back below. Take us all the way back down to hell. And by hell, I mean 50 points. 50 points lower. That's what I mean. That is what I mean. Oh my goodness. This is
I got a
just
call at 11. I'm gonna have to get off here pretty soon.
yeah, I do. I gotta go too eventually. Let's see. Let's see some follow through here, ladies and gents. Let's see it. Let us see it. Let us see it. Give us just a rip all the way down to 450s now. Straight shot down would be so nice.
Mm.
I need an inverted hammer close here. How's a 3-minute? Let's go VWAP. Let's go VWAP. Nice. Swift follow through down through 500. Come on. Good. Good. This one I'm talking about. This one I'm fucking talking about, gang. Let's cover a little bit in here.
This dude.
Let's cover some down into here. Let's go, dude. Holy shit.
This is
Come on.
nice.
Let's
This is
fucking
nice.
go. Let's go,
This is
gang.
nice.
Let's go, gang. I got my strategy, bro. Let's see if it follows through here, though. That's what really matters. If I don't get follow through, it doesn't mean shit. It looks decent.
This is nice.
Look at this 2-minute right here. Look at these tweezers.
Oh yeah, that is pretty. Oof.
Pretty nice tweezers there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice tweezers here.
Twinners.
Twinners. No, you know what? I want to go for this full fucking breakdown, dude. I'm going for the 450s. That's what I want. Even lower than that. I want to retest prior day high.
I said I want everything.
I want it all.
I want it.
I want it all.
It could go to pretty. It could. I mean, it ain't. It's not. Well, not unlikely.
I just got no
With
expectations
this,
now. What I am
with
going to do,
this,
though, I'm going to move my stop to right above these tweezers.
because this could be a
That'll literally
retest
put
and continue to
that
go
will
higher.
literally put me break even on the day. 115. Look at that. Totally could hold here for sure. Totally could hold. I don't have high expectations for it, but I'm just gonna use the top of this pin.
Ooh, there you go.
There we go. There we
Ooh,
go. Let's
ooh.
go. Give me the sweep here. Limit by 3. Right into the lows. Right into the lows. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it, gang. Cover, cover, cover. Let's go. Come on. Give me it. One more push skis.
There you
Flush it.
go. There you go. It may go to
Flush it.
previous day highs. You should leave one runner
Oh.
to a previous day high. You
I
should
have
leave
5
one
on.
runner.
Yeah. No, I got 2 runners.
Oh, for previous day high?
Yeah, I got 2 runners for previous day high.
Oh, nice.
Look at this. Come on. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Cover me in the lows. Letting it trade. Letting it trade. Not going to overthink it. Not going to stress it. Can we get one more push lower? That is the question. What a short. Right against VWAP,
Yes.
though. It was pretty nice. Come on. Come on is right. I am impressed. Thanks, Wayne. Appreciate it. I mean, it's
Yeah, nah, you've been
I did
working
wait
this
for
market
that.
this
I
morning.
called that out too. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do like honestly, I'm not gonna lie, whose comment was this? Help me. Space Goes Viz. I like this comment. Slow, methodical, long price action suggests sellers are in control. I like that because that is something where. Remember yesterday when I called to the trend day? Literally at the beginning, I was like,
You
this
did.
really slow, grindy action suggests we might
Yeah.
trend all day. Like I've just noticed that, and that's just from practice, dude. There's nothing you can read. You can't read about that in a book. Like you just got to
Yeah, that's
experience
facts.
it and see it so many times that you're like, oh yeah, probably this is what's going to happen here. This is what's going to happen here. See, what I don't like now is we're pulling right back into VWAP. And fucking look at this into NQ VWAP, and it's holding. I need this to break lower. I should have put some covers here instead. That was my mistake.
Let me get off here, bro. I got a call in 5 minutes.
All right, do your thing.
All right. See y'all tomorrow.
Peace, Lawrence. Let's see if we get the cover, guys. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let us see. I know VWAP is a bitch sometimes when it gets in the way of our target. I know. I love it though because I use it all the time for my strategy. When it works, it's great. But when it's in this sandwich area right now, because literally where I'm short from fucking QQQ VWAP, but right below is NQ VWAP. So I call it the VWAP sandwich. And when you're in this sandwich area, it's hard because price is just gonna like bounce and be confused and do this and do that. So it's really tough to fully like extract all of that. I think we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna do it, guys. I think we're gonna get the flush to retest prior day low. Or I'm sorry, prior day high. I could be totally just wrong too. Who knows? But like I said, I'll be break even on the day if I am. I don't care. Like I'm content with it at this point. With this action, it is what it is. It's one of those things. Let's see. Let us see. Whole lot of nothing. Just gotta wait. That's not good. That's not good, gang. I don't want to see that. Like, exactly what I don't want to see. And keep the stop at the highs. And let it trade. It might come up one more time into here, then fail, which is just annoying. I'm like, just go. Come on, just give me it. Over it. Shorts look good. Might just take some time for lies yesterday. Yeah. I mean, this action in general is just hard and tough. It's just like you can't really just do too much. Doing too much in this action will literally destroy you. Literally destroy you. All I can do is sit here and just hopefully let it work. It's really all I can do. Let's see if we can get it. That's it. Oh, decent. Decent. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. No. I think it's going to do it. I think it's going to do it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, I'll be break even or green. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm gonna let this fully play out. Definitely. I hope it does in the next like 10 minutes, though. 15 minutes. I do need to leave. I got somewhere. I got an appointment at 8:30. I'm gonna be somewhere. Can we get some follow through on this action to the downside? Is the question, my friends. Why do they got to do this, dude? Just like, why you got to be so slow and whack and see, now this 2 minute looks awful. Just let it trade. Let it trade. Nothing I can do but let it trade. You're in the driver's seat. Drive the boat. Drive the boat. I know. I'm just like, I hate this action. I just hate sitting through it. Got cooked on long stay and shorts. Yeah, it was a tough day, dude. Tough day. Tough day. Let's see what 11 a.m. does. Got a couple minutes. Yeah, Brian, I'd probably just cover it here, bro, and get the fuck out of it, to be honest. It's just not worth it to just sit through this. I'm only sitting through it because I'm just in my position already. And like I just know my risk on the day. Not futures, but you've seen coin over the past couple of days. No, I haven't. I haven't looked at coin personally. I know Bitcoin is ripping. That's what Lawrence was saying earlier. See, like I think what might happen is we might get one more retest up here and then fail again. But it's just like, dude, why is this taking too long to do it? Taking too long to do it. Taking way too long to do Slow and grindy. Let's get it, chat. Let's get this 11 a.m. candle. Give us one more push here to the downside. Come on. No, it's not looking like it. This looks like a long still. No, no, no. What do we think? Do we cover back down here? 478. Cover some there, or just wait for full TP? That's the question. Probably just wait. You're good, trust. Okay, I'll trust you. I'm trusting you. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. I'm waiting. You see these hands? You see these hands? I'm sitting on them. I'm sitting on the hands. Where should I put my other orders to cover 3 into 63 into the lows? Where's Friday high? Was the question on my other chart. Let's see. Lines up with like yeah, 450s. That's what I want. I want my 450s. I'm putting it out into 450, 452. All right, here's the plan. Cover some into the lows and cover some into 452s. That's it. I don't got time to stick around. So if it goes lower and ends up dying, I'll be like, whatever. Shoulda, coulda, woulda type deal. Yeah, you're right. I can. I definitely can. I just don't want to leave the position open while I'm out and about. I just know myself, dude. I just check my phone like the whole entire time. I hate that. Just like checking my phone. Let's get it. Come on. Give us the sinker here. If we do get this right here to dump all the way and it covers me, I might have a surprise for you guys. I might. And I'll just be honest. The surprise is I'm going to take a payout in front of all you. So let's see if we can do it. I think I'm eligible for it. I got to double check, but let's see. Do we get it? If this goes here, though, yeah, it's gonna die. Oh. Alejandro, you're making me trust it. You were the one who's like, you're good, trust. I was like, all right, bro, I'm trusting you. You got the good markups, dude. You got some good charting experience. I'm trusting you. That helped me. Honestly, this is where the chat actually helps. I love that and that comment earlier from Space Ghost. That was fire. Let's get it. We're super close. Let's get it. Sink it. Let's get it. Come on. We're so close. Cover me. Give me it. Oh, we're going to do it. Come on. You got to do it. Let's go. Give me the last two, baby. Give me the last two. Into 452. Give me the last two. No fuckery. Just straight shot it. Don't be a dick for a tick either. You're right. Where we at? I'm just going to cut it all here. Fuck it. I'm over it.
Order filled.
W's in the chat, please. W's in the chat, please. Let's fucking go. Now, let me check one thing. Let's see this. Let's see. W's in the fucking chat. Let's go. Okay. Which account is it? Can I do it? Gang, we're taking a payout live. Let's fucking do the thing. You got to do it. Let's do it. Let's take the fucking payout. Request payout 159. This is one of my third account here. 18%, 9100. Let's fucking crush it. Oh, a lot of just base hits on this one, I think. No, I had some bigger ones actually. 1300, 1500, 1400. So we're gonna go up here. We're gonna request payout. I read everything all the time. I understand. We're gonna go 3500, the max, baby. We're gonna go rise, and we're going to confirm the thing. Boom, and just like that, success. Payout live in front of all you guys. Let's fucking go. Love doing that. That's my favorite. Hell yeah. Good shit, guys. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate all of you. Much love. Always love taking payouts in front of everyone. Let's get this on the story too. You know, it's always a good feeling. Always a good feeling when you take a payout live. We were really patient. We just requested the payout live in front of everyone. W's in the chat. Let's go. We love to see it. It was a really rough day in the sense of price action, but ended up catching a nice win for about 600 overall. Slow and grindy, but we'll take it. That was across 3 accounts, so we love it. We love it. We love it. What a day. All right, boys and ladies, if you're in here, good shit. Appreciate all of you. I got to run. Much love. I will chat with all of you. If you are in strong trading, chat with you guys in the Discord. Glad you guys can see that broken down live. And that's it. Peace.